All right, moving on, viewers. The winter session of the Indian Parliament is underway, and the latest flashpoint is the battle over renaming of the Rural Employment Scheme, Manrega. The government and opposition are trading barbs over changing the name of the two-decade-old scheme to VBG Ramji. Union Minister for Rural Development Shivraj Singh Chauhan took the floor, and as soon as he sought permission to introduce the legislation, opposition lawmakers started raising slogans.
VBG Ramji, Viksit Bharat Ji Ramji. बिल 2025 को सभा में पूरा स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए.
Meanwhile, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra led the charge from the opposition side. She rejected the bill, citing no clarity on the wage rise, increased burden on states, and employment based on demand. She also called out central government's obsession with changing names.
ये कानून बनाया, हर योजना का नाम बदलने की जो सनक है ये समझ में नहीं आती है. सर, जब ये किया जाता है तो सरकार केंद्र को पैसे खर्चने पड़ते हैं.
Congress leader and member of parliament from Thiruvananthapuram, Shashi Tharoor, and NCP SP leader Supriya Sule struck the same tone.
This is the ill-advised decision to remove the name of the father of the nation for the reasons already given, which I will not repeat. But this is not just an administrative tweak, sir. It's an assault on the very spirit and philosophical foundation of this crucial program. Mahatma Gandhi's vision of Ram Rajya was never a purely political program. It was a socio-economic blueprint rooted in the empowerment of villages, and his unwavering faith in Gram Swaraj was part of his vision of Ram Rajya.
पॉलिसी में बदलाव लाना चाहिए. हम पॉलिसी के बदलाव के खिलाफ नहीं है. समय समय पे हर बिल को देखा चाहिए, सोचना चाहिए. और मेरी सिर्फ सरकार से विनती है कि आप इसको स्टैंडिंग कमेटी भेजिए, उस पर संक्षेप में सारी चर्चा हो. ये नाव बदलने से कुछ नहीं होता, काम को महत्व होता है. सोच.
Meanwhile, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Kiran Rijiju lashed out at the opposition. He said that the discussion on permission to propose the bill should only focus on competency of the Parliament to pass the said bill.
Only on the ground of the Rule 72 पे यहाँ इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ बिल्स पे अपोज करते हैं, तो स्पेसिफिकली स्पीकर साहब ने बार-बार याद दिलाया. We have to oppose the introduction of the bill only on the ground of the competence of making legislation of this House.
Now, responding to criticism of disrespecting Mahatma Gandhi by removing his name from the scheme, Shivraj Singh Chauhan said that the government is merely implementing Gandhi's vision of Ram Rajya.
मैं फिर दोहरा रहा हूं कि बापू हमारे दिलों में बसते हैं.
Mahatma Gandhi lives in our heart and we respect him. Gandhi used to talk about Ram Rajya. India and Ram can't be separated from each other.
राम हमारी हर सांस में बसे हैं. बिना राम के ये देश नहीं जाना जाता.
And for more on this, our correspondent Dharamjot Kaur has sent us this report. Take a look.
India's ruling alliance and the opposition have clashed on not just the name of a bill, but also certain proposals and provisions of it. We're talking about the Manrega bill, which has been a flagship program introduced by the UPA government in 2005. Now the ruling NDA alliance has proposed a change, in fact an overhaul of the entire bill, including its name, which it has proposed as VBG Ramji. Now, while the opposition is calling the bill anti-poor and also an insult to Mahatma Gandhi, on whose name the original bill was named, the ruling party is saying that these changes are required, they're a requirement of the current times. How this entire discussion, how this standoff pans out is something that we will find out more about in the coming days as winter parliament session in India remains underway. With video journalist Gopal, this is Dharamjot Kaur for WION World is One.